In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change theme Grafana. If you spend a lot of time in Grafana, switching the theme can make your dashboards easier on the eyes and improve readability. Themes control the overall look and feel of the interface, including backgrounds, panel chrome, and contrast. So choosing the right one can help reduce fatigue and keep you focused. Start by opening Grafana in your web browser. You should be on your Grafana homepage or any dashboard you normally use. Look at the top right corner of the screen. That's where your user menu lives. You'll see your avatar or an icon that opens your profile menu. Click that to reveal your personal settings. Inside this menu, find the option labeled Change Theme. It's a quick access control designed for convenience, so you don't have to dig through deeper settings. Click Change Theme to bring up the theme selector. Now you'll see the available choices. Typically, you can pick light for a bright, clean interface, dark for a high contrast, low glare look, or system to let Grafana follow your operating system's theme automatically. If you work in bright environments or need print-friendly screenshots, light is often the best fit. If you work at night, present on projectors, or prefer a UI that's easier on the eyes over long sessions, dark is a great choice. System is ideal if you switch between light and dark on your computer and want Grafana to keep up without manual changes. Select the theme you prefer. As soon as you click it, Grafana applies the change instantly across the interface. You'll see dashboards, menus, and panels adopt the new styling right away, so there's no need to reload. This change affects your personal view in the browser session and is designed to be quick to adjust and just as easy to revert. If you decide you want to try a different look, simply open the top right profile menu again and choose Change Theme to switch back. A quick tip: if you select System and nothing seems to change, check your computer's light or dark mode setting. Grafana will mirror whatever your operating system is using. Another tip: if you share screenshots or recordings with teammates, pick the theme that offers the clearest contrast for your audience, especially for charts with subtle color scales. And that's it. Once you've chosen your theme, your new look is already applied. You're all set to navigate dashboards and alerts with a style that suits you. Thanks for watching.